Hey guys, welcome back to Craft Kingdom. This is Urja, and today we'll be making a candle holder. So it's from paper and it will make a lotus. So you can put your small candles, these size ones, not the long ones. So you can put them in the center, and they will look really pretty. So let's get started. So first of all, take a circle of diameter 10 centimeter, fold it in half. Fold it in half once again and one more time. Draw the pattern as shown. The same with a diameter of 14 centimeter and draw a pattern like this and cut it out, and repeat the same process and the same design with a circle of diameter 17 centimeters. Take all of your cutouts each by each and place a candle in center and fold all the petals so that it forms a crease and stays in center, not flat. So do it with each of the flowers which we have made. Folding it, you can just decorate it with glitters. So I have decorated all of them with golden glitters, and now it's time to paste it. So you might see a crease of the circle. Just apply the glue in between the circle and paste all of them each by each on the top. If you want a more petaled flower, just paste it in the between of the two petals. The second one, paste it in between of the two petals, and do the same with the third one. The smaller one would come in a line with the first one, which was way bigger. The tea light candle holder is ready and it's looking really nice. You just give it a one last fold and it's already glittery and glittery. So guys, our tea light holder is ready. So it was really beautiful. I just put on some glitter. It looked really beautiful. So you can just decorate your home with these tea light holders. And so I might not upload a video tomorrow, and I forgot to upload a video yesterday as it was not ready. So I'll be uploading two videos today, and I might not upload one tomorrow because it's my birthday on 10th of November. So if you like this video, share the video and subscribe to Craft Kingdom. And if you want to wish me a birthday, please subscribe to Craft Kingdom, and you can send me your wishes on my email ID craftkingdom10@gmail.com. See you next time. Till then, bye.